5 minus 2, which is 3. And here is also 5 minus 2, which gives us 3. Then 3 times 3, which equals to 9. But this is not the correct answer, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, and multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one subtraction here, one parenthesis, and one multiplication here. So according to PEMDAS, we need to do first this parenthesis, and next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do subtract first before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, we need to do this parenthesis first, 5 minus 2, which equals 3. Then 5 minus 2 times 3. Here there is subtraction and multiplication. If subtraction and multiplication are in the expression, so multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, because according to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction, okay? Then 2 times 3, which is 6. Then 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6, which equals to negative 1, okay? This is the correct answer of this problem. Therefore, the correct answer of the problem is negative 1.